Hi everyone, this is Matthew again, and today is 18th of October 2022. So our Forex ebook is out with the Forex Automated Trading Boot. There's a boot right there. I'm going to be giving them out freely across all our platforms, the YouTube, the Telegram, the Instagram, and all our platforms, the forums as well. You see all these information as well across all forums. So here is the Forex Trading Boot right there, and this is the ebook cover right there. So all the links are there. The link to download the ebook is also there. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So these are the links here. Again, this is the first step you should do. All you have to do is to first sign up for a free Forex broker account using any of these two links. We are going to paste them in the video description on YouTube. So these are the links there. Make sure you subscribe to all our 3 channels. The link are also there. So this is the link to download the ebook. You can use any of these links to download the ebooks. All the informations are also there on the ebook. Then the link to download the trading board as well is in the ebook as well. So the link to download the boat is in the ebook. So this is the ebook on the Google Drive. This is the ebook right here on the Google Drive. Sorry, this is the ebook on the Google Drive right here. So here you can see this is the page it will take you to once you click on link to download the ebook. So all you have to do is to go to this download section, then you click on download. You don't need to be logged in to download on a Google Drive, so we've shared it across all platforms. So once you open the ebook, you will see the link to sign up for a free trading account. This is the link right here. That's the first step. Click on the link to sign up for a free trading account. Then you can, if you want to trade on terminal, you can watch all the videos we drop on the Forex broker platform. These are the strategies. You can watch them to trade on the terminal. You'll say that if you want the bot to trade for you, you first need to download the bot. We've uploaded the bot on our Google Drive as well, and it's free. So all you have to do is to click on the link in the ebook to download the bot right here. This is the link. Click on it. It will take you straight to where you download the bot. Download the bot, extract the bot, then you make sure you download the MT5, because the automated trading bots will only work on MT5 MetaTrader. So the link to download MT5 is also in the ebook. You download the MT5. So once you sign up using any of the 2 links we pasted above for a broker account, once you sign up, all you have to do is to open MT5 account. When you log into your account, you want to sign up using your email and password. You go to account, login, go to account, open, click on open new account, then click on standard, then open real MT5 account, then you fund your account. So then you download the MT5 setup, then you log in. It's going to generate your login details, the server, and the same password you used to sign up to log into your MT5. So once you download the MT5, this is the MT5 interface right there. That's the MT5 interface right there. And you can see our trades today. We are still 43 bucks. We've made 43.26 right here. So we have a trade ongoing as well. The bot is trading. Actually, I paused it. So here to set up the bot, after downloading the bot, extract the bot, you will see 3 files, the installation guide and the cover. Then this is the bot itself that has something like green sign. You right click and copy it after extracting it. Once you downloaded it, then you go back to your trading terminal. You can see this is the copyright of the bot right here. This is the programming section where I program this bot. So you can see the MT5. You go to file, then you click on open data. All this information already in the ebook guide. So then you click on MQF5, go to expert, go to advisor, then you paste the bot right there. You can see I already have the bot here. You just right click, then you click on paste. You paste the bot right there. So once you do that, close this. Then you go to navigator, you go back to MT5, go to navigator. Under the expert advisor here, you right click, then you click on refresh. You will see the bot here after pasting it right there. So then we are going to be trading Euro USD. The bot works effectively on Euro USD. So what first thing you have to do is to, let me close this, because you are going to see some charts open by default. You close all of them. You go to the symbol area under the market watch. You open the Euro USD. If you are not seeing it here, you just scroll down, click on plus, type EUR/USD EUR. So once you do that, I've already added this, so I don't need to type it there. I've already added it. So this is EUR. So I will click on EUR. I will right click on it, EUR/USD. I will right click on it, then chart window. So once you open the chart window, right click on the black space, go to time frame, then you set this to 1 minute because the both trade at 1 minute time frame. You can expand this, then you just, all you have to do is to just click on this trace clipper, drag it and paste it here, right here. Go to common, click on allow modification, allow algo trading, then you click on OK. So you can see this thing is gray. The reason why it's gray is because I paused the bot. So I'm going to click on this algo trading. I'm going to click on play. When it's blue, the bot is active. So the bot will pick a trade. You can see it has picked one trade again. We have a trade going on, then this is another trade. It has already picked another trade right here. So you can stay online because the bot has set the TP and the SL as well. So if it hits the profit, you can close it by yourself. The bot can also close the trade automatically by itself. We set the bot by default to use 1% of your balance to trade, so you can change that if you want to increase your trading amount. You can just go to right click on property right here, right click on this, then you click on property, then you go to the risk percentage right here, you click on it. You can change this 1% to maybe 3% of your balance, or 0. If you want to reduce it, you can type 0.1, 0.2, depends on what you have in your account balance. Then you click on OK. You can also increase your take profits and increase your stop loss by changing this figure. So these are set by default, so just click on OK, then the bot will follow the instruction. So that's it, guys. So if the bot hits the TP, it will close the trade. If it hits the SL, it's going to close the trade as well. So don't forget, the guard is already, all the information are already on the guard, on the ebook. They are already there, so just check the ebook to download all the boats, the ebook, then the MT5, everything is there. Then to open an account, everything is already there in the guide as well. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.